friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, welcome back, friends. Today, I want to say a big thank you and let you know how much I appreciate you, friend. I know I've made you wait for so long for the little giveaway, the Beach Bum Santa. After reaching 600 subscribers, I told you I was going to do a giveaway. And things have been moving pretty rapidly. Our channel has been growing really fast. And before I had a chance to do this giveaway, friends, we were at 1,000 subscribers and it happened on my Eric's birthday. Yay, I was so excited. We started this journey back in September on the 26th. And Eric told me, by the time you hit, Mom, the summer of the coming year, you're gonna hit your 1,000 subscriber mark. And I thought, oh my gosh, I can't see it right now, but he was right, and I always listen to my Eric, and that's why we're a team, and he's my manager. He does all the hard work, friends. But I will have some more giveaways to try and catch up. But for right now, I know y'all have waited a long time, and this cute little Santa wants to go home to somebody's house. All right, we've got the comment picker all ready. Now we're ready. Cindy's Take On Live. Congratulations, Cindy. Be sure and send me an email with your information, friend, and do it within 48 hours. Congratulations. Santa will be happy to go to your house. Thanks, everyone, for commenting and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate y'all so much. Before we had a chance to even do a giveaway for the 1,000, we were at 2,000. I appreciate you so much, friends. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how you make my heart so happy. Today, I'm also going to open up some friend mail that has been long overdue to be opened up. Friends, these people are very near and dear to my heart. They all have channels. And not because they send me friend mail that makes me so happy. It's because they are genuine friends and they've been there for me from the very beginning. And I love all of them. They're very, very special to me. This first one is from my friend, Frugal Jay. And I know you've heard me talk about her before. She has a YouTube channel and she does Dollar Tree hauls. And oh my gosh, and she knows I love nails. There's a set of nails. Oh my gosh, look at that. Jay, you are amazing. She does Dollar Tree hauls, and she always finds the latest and greatest stuff. Let me tell you, she's a joy to watch. And she's my friend, and I'm so glad. She makes me so happy.
Those are nice and colorful.
They're very nice and colorful. I can't wait. I love nails. You know, it doesn't take much to make me happy. I love presents. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jay, you are amazing. Look at this girl. Look what all she sent me. Oh my goodness. I love them. I know that you don't see me wear these a lot on camera, but I wear them all the time. Look at this. I'll wear one the next video, I promise you. Look at that. That is so me. Okay, and this next one is from, oh my gosh, this is my girl, y'all. I started watching her before she reached her 100 subscriber mark. And we need to go to her channel and show her some love. Friends, she is a joy. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm showing her address. Crazy Days of Kalyn, she's my friend and I love her. She is a joy to watch. She does Dollar Tree hauls and she also does vlogs. And I feel like I know her family already. She's a good friend. She, in her Dollar Tree hauls, she does price comparison with what she buys at the Dollar Tree as opposed to items at Walmart and so on. And she is a joy to watch. And listen, she is so colorful. She has 60 pairs of glasses. Oh, friend, she knew I was looking for these and I hadn't found them. Thank you for the labels. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, and she knows I'm a Halloween person. Can you see that, Eric, without a glare? Mm-hmm. And she sent me the legend of Halloween. Halloween or Halloween? Kalyn, I love you, girl. You're the best. Oh my gosh. Sweetest peach. Look at that. Oh, girl. You just make me happy. And what girl doesn't need little notepads with little rainbows on them? So colorful. Please check out her channel and tell her that I sent you. She needs a little loving right now, and she gives it her all. So let's show her some love. Look at this. Fashion ink, assorted colors. Oh my gosh, I'm a scrapbook chick. These are going to be put to good use. Thank you, friend. Oh, and strawberry peach. She knows I love peach tea and anything with peach in it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, friend. Oh my gosh, this just makes me so happy. Okay, and this next one is, oh my gosh, this is another friend of mine. I love all my friends. Everyone that has a YouTube channel, that y'all are just wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful people. And I'm so glad God put you in my life. I pray for you all the time. This is from Wanda Ortiz. And look at that. She is the best. She is a military mom. And she does, the name of her channel is A Day in My World. And she does pocket folders, which I was not familiar with. The cutest things you've ever seen, and these things that are called junk journals. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy over them. And look, she knows that oh my gosh. Thank you, Wanda. I love stickers, and I don't know what's happening these days. Us grown-up women, we're going crazy over all the stickers we find at Dollar Tree. But I keep a planner and also do scrapbooking, and I love using stickers like this. Thank you so much, Wanda. You make my heart happy, girl. Check out her channel. She's Wanda Ortiz, A Day in My World. She is hilarious. I love her. Love her, love her, love her. And then she sent me this a little while back. It's Happy Planner Giveaway Winner, A Day in My World. Love, Wanda. Oh, my Wanda, I just love you. Oh, my gosh. I had been looking for these. The Happy Planner. Does this girl know me or what? Look at that. These are going to be so perfect. Love them. This one is 1,078 pieces. Wow. I'm going to have a blast decorating my planner. 1,557, the Happy Planner Seasonal. Oh my goodness, friends, look at this. Love it. Wanda, thank you so much, friend. I know that you're in the moving process, and as soon as you get settled, send me your address, and I am going to send you a big thank you. Okay, friends, this next package comes from a little girl. I call her little girl. She's just as sweet as can be. She's like my kid. Her name is Mari, and she is with Restored Creations. And I love this kid. Please visit her channel. She is a joy to watch. And sometimes she does a video. She does Dollar Tree hauls, and she's filming her videos with her little baby in the background. And the little baby's so cute, and she just stays in place and entertains herself. Oh my gosh, everybody knows I'm sticker crazy. Look at that. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. You know, in my family, we're big Hot Wheel collectors. I bet you didn't know that. But look, she sent me a taco de asada car and a fast foodie. It's a hamburger car. Love it. Thank you, sweetie. You're like my kid. No.
On any given note, if you find any Corvette Hot Wheels, feel free to send them to her. You can address them to me though. I'm building my real life Hot Wheels Corvette right now in the garage. It's a mess.
Oh my gosh, Eric is amazing, y'all. He can do anything. All three of my boys are very, very talented, but they never cease to amaze. Oh my gosh, more happy planner stickers. Oh my gosh. Marty, you knew I was looking for this and you said, I'll take care of you. Thank you so much, sweetie. I just love this little girl. She's like my kid, everybody. And look at this. Believe in yourself. Oh, a little notepad. These were so popular and they sold out so quickly here at my store. Thank you so much, sweet girl. I just love you. Guys, please visit her channel. She's trying to grow. All of my little friends that need a little boost, I'm going to be trying to help them out with a thankful heart. Oh, she is such a blessing in my life. Please visit her channel and tell her I sent you. She is a joy to watch. You will not be disappointed. And oh my gosh, this is my other friend from Pink Motivation. You've got to, I cannot say enough about her. You have just got to visit her channel. She is amazing. Go visit her channel and find out what the word pink stands for in her life and what she has to share with others. She has been amazing. She has been such a wonderful friend to me, and she is to everyone she meets. Oh my gosh. Girl, you have made me so happy. Look at this, a 2020-2021 planner. Hello today. Oh, Letitia, thank you so much. I love this. I wish I had my others handy so I could show them to you. The very first one was given to me by a friend that I worked with in Midland. Her name was Anna Cruz, and I fell in love with these things. I love them, I keep them, I decorate them, and I keep all my appointments, and I print out little pictures of good stuff, and I just love it. I put my little prayers, and I use it like a journal. Thank you so much, friend. Never stop dreaming. Life is but a dream journal. Look at this, friends. Friends, visit her channel, Pink Motivation. Go find out what pink stands for. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And Pink, I'll have something in the mail for you next week. Oh, look at this. Tell me that this community of YouTubers is not the best community that God could put in my life. And my viewers, oh my gosh, Eric and I are just amazed. Oh. She knew that I was going to do Christmas in July, and she had a big collaboration for YouTubers. Anybody doing a Christmas in July craft, you sent the link to her, and she would promote your video. And thanks to her, my snowman video is at 40K views. So girl, I am so appreciative to you and the viewers. Love y'all. Goodness gracious. I'm just so blessed, and I thank God every day. And Eric and and I work real hard to, well, he does all the work in the background. And friends, he gets so agitated with me sometimes. I have to share with you. He tells me, okay, Mom, I need you to say this and this and this. And I go, okay, got it. You got it? Yeah, got it. And then I'll say anything and everything except what he told me to say. And he gets like, Mom, poor Eric, he has to put up with me. But he does all the filming, the editing, and he does so much for me. And I appreciate him so much because he's the one that got me into this. I was not quite ready. For the last 2 years, he's been on to me to start a YouTube channel. And then one day off guard, like I said, last year in September, he said, come on, we're gonna do this. And I said, wait, I haven't lost 10 pounds yet. And he said, nope, no time. Come on, let's do this. And it's been an experience, but here lately, I cannot tell you how grateful and blessed I feel that we started this journey. Friends, I love you. I appreciate you. This morning, we were at 2,870 subscribers. Wow. Wow. I feel so blessed that you are enjoying my videos. I appreciate your comments. Oh my gosh, friends, you make me laugh. And some of you I want to cry and pray with, and some of you just make my day. Like I said, my heart feels so happy. I go to bed at night and I'm so grateful and thankful to God that He has blessed me with this opportunity to share the talent that He has given me with you. Friends, I love you. Today is a great day to smile and be happy. Let's be nice. Go out there and share a smile with one another. Love y'all.